Still spending hours writing emails and resumes by hand? Let ChatGPT do it for you faster, smarter, and better than most humans. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how ChatGPT can handle your emails and resumes for you, fast, professional, and personalized. Stick around to the end because I'll share some secret prompts and tips that make your communication stand out, land interviews, and impress your boss. Writing emails and resumes manually in time-consuming mistakes or vague language can cost you opportunities. AI like ChatGPT helps you create clear, professional, and effective communication in minutes. Works for all industries and levels from entry level to executives. Perfect for freelancers, job seekers, and busy professionals. Writing a professional email reply. The prompt is: write a polite email reply to a client asking for a project update, mentioning the work is on schedule and you will send the next report by Friday. Customize the tone: formal, friendly, or urgent. Use templates for common emails, meeting requests, follow-ups, thank you notes. Avoiding sounding robotic by adding professional and personal touches suggested by ChatGPT. Email for requesting a raise or promotion. Write a confident email requesting a meeting to discuss a raise, highlighting my recent achievements and contributions. Explain why this approach works and how ChatGPT uses positive, professional language. ChatGPT can format your resume based on your job title, experience, and skills. Create a professional resume summary for a marketing manager with 5 years of experience in digital campaigns and team leadership. Use ChatGPT to tailor resumes for different job applications. Rewrite my resume bullet points to focus on leadership and results for a project manager role. ChatGPT can also help with cover letters. Write a cover letter for a software developer job highlighting problem-solving skills and teamwork. Identify your purpose. What kind of email or resume do you need? Gather your info, key details like name, role, achievements, recipient, tone. Write your prompt, be clear and specific. Generate and review. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite or adjust tone if needed. Personalize, add your task, check for accuracy. Send or reply confidently. Use your AI-generated content. Save your prompts for future use. Combine ChatGPT with tools like Grammarly for flawless grammar. Share quick testimonials or examples of people who landed interviews or impressed clients by using ChatGPT-generated emails and resumes. Show screenshots or testimonials if available. Stop wasting time on manual writing. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting and free up your day for the matters most. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI-powered productivity hacks, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Comment below with AI email or resume challenge do you want ChatGPT to solve next. I'll help you with personalized prompts.